Hello everyone, my name is Vatsal Khare. Today I will read books. This is the first book, Princess Peppa. Princess Peppa lived in a castle at the top of a very tall beanstalk. Princess Peppa had lots of toys. Princess Teddy was her favorite. Sir George the Brave was Princess Peppa's brother. They had lots of fun playing in the castle together. This is part of a jigsaw. Jigsaw is a puzzle.